The minimally invasive surgery that offers big results for back pain.
The sacrum is the base of the spine. It's what we colloquially call the tailbone, if you will. It's the piece that joins the hip and transfers all the weight from the upper half of our body into the hips and then down to our legs. With the advances of technology, the procedure now has evolved to instrumentation that we can do with minimally invasive techniques with an incision that's less than an inch. It's very well tolerated. The goal of the procedure is to put these three special devices, they're hollow titanium screws with fusion material across that joint, to stop that tiny amount of motion. The motion goes away, the pain goes away. It's one of the most successful operations as a spine surgeon that I do. Phenomenal results, greater than 99%.
St. Francis Healthcare, called to serve you.